Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you would like to subscribe, you would be more than welcome. So all I've done, 4 of these on it like that, and then it will have 2 separate pieces which you need to cut in half. Just chop them in half, sorry. And then I've taken a piece of cardboard. You can use any colour cardboard. I'm going to stick this piece on the front on here, and then we're going to stick the other piece onto the back like that. Okay, so you've got your 2 pieces like that, and that'll be your front and back cover. And then the other pieces, this will be page 1, and it tells you which way to put your pages in. But what you need to do is cut them out into the long strips, and then you need to fold them into a W shape. So you've got this one is coming up, and then that one goes down like that, so that's up and down, and then that one will be on the other side. Okay, so you need to do that with all of them, and I'll show you how I did it. So the first thing I did was I folded that middle in half, just like that, making sure I got that on that nice line, and I made the line white just so that you can see it. And then I did the same with this piece here and this piece here. There we go. And then I pulled these 2 round and folded it over like that, and I found that was the best way to do it. Otherwise you didn't get that straight fold. So you've got it like that, and there it is, it's your W shape again. Okay, and obviously make sure you've got the writing going in the right direction when you stick them together. So I've just got a glue stick, okay, and you need to start off with sticking. So after that, the next one should be chocolate crispies. So I've got this one here, which is a picture of chocolate crispy, and what we want to do is to stick these 2 pieces of paper together. Okay, so I'm just going to take it over, turn it over, and put glue just on this piece. And this is an Elmer's glue, and I like this one because it shows you where the glue actually is. It doesn't dry too quickly, so that you can actually maneuver it around. Just make sure you've got them both the right way up before you stick them on top, and you want them to stick absolutely perfectly on there together. Okay, so then the next thing you want to do is to put glue on this piece here, so on that one there, and on this one here. Okay, so that is your, that would be, so you're putting it on this piece here, and that is the recipe for the shortbread. So you want to put a piece on the shortbread side, so that's like that there, and then pull that one out of the way because we don't want that one going in there. That's it, fold that one over, and then we're going to stick this piece, and we're going to stick the chocolate chip cookies on the back to the oat balls. Okay, so we're going to put some glue on this side here, and then stick those 2 together. Right, there we go. Okay, and then just fold that over like that. So you should then have 2 blank pieces. So this is going to be your front of your book, so you don't need to stick anything onto that at all. Okay, the next one then is your balls, and they need to stick onto your chocolate strawberry, which is this one. So you're going to stick that one onto there. Okay, so go ahead now and get all of those stuck together, and then we'll come back and put the front cover on. So we have all the pieces all stuck together here now. So when you flip through it, you should get a nice little book with just different recipes inside it, like that. And these are all easy ones which you can make for your dolls if you wish to. Then I'm going to pop it inside the book. Now what I need to do with my book is just take your book and just make yourself a little spine almost of the book. So you want it to sort of close there like that, and close on that bit, and come across like that, but then you want it again to come back on itself and close again, so you've got another fold. Okay, put some glue on this side, and there you go, and then we're going to just sit that with the spine up. So you want to sit it so the spine's off, and then you want to come in and then put that page and just press that gently down and get that all pressed down. And then when you open up that front page, because you've got that spine, you've got enough room now to get that to open and shut properly. So we're going to take this page, rub your glue all over it. There we go, make sure it's covered. So this is a nice one because it dries clear. Right, and then get that spine right first and then gently just press down all over. Don't worry that you've got a gap there, because that's why we left that extra piece of card. Okay, and once that's drying off, we're going to pop the front of the covers on. Right, so that is definitely, make sure it's definitely the back, and we're coming in about here. So I'm just going to wiggle that around and try and get that looking as if it's sat straight. There we go. So that's my back, and I'll stick that one onto the front like that. Okay, and that's just roughly just over it. So I'll just stick that on. There we go. Try and get that nice and flat. There. Okay, now what you want to do now is take it to your guillotine if you've got one, and just slice it right the way down there. And I think that would make quite a good addition to the doll's kitchen. I think that would work quite nicely in there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.